Okay, so after trying lots of factories with coily hairs, I discovered that their hairs are so hard and difficult to comb. Their coils tend to drop. So I came across Julia of K Hair Factory, and I made order of this bouncy and pixie coil. So I had to just do this to see how the coil will come out. As you can see, I didn't curl this hair again. I didn't have to restyle it. After wigging, I just did combing, and that's it. And that's exactly what I was really looking for, because the hair is top notch, very soft, the feel is cool, very soft. Thank you.